Dear students, now I am going to explain you the exercise 1.1 of Standard 7 NCERT book. Follow the exercise. In the first sum, you will get the same number line as I have represented it here, where you will get the temperature of various places like Laos, Spiti, Srinagar, Simla, Ooty, Bengaluru, all of them has been written, and you need to find out. Look at the first one. In the A number, it has been asked, observe the number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. See, the temperature at first Laos, Spiti. Let us observe it. How to observe? See, this mark is for -10 and the Laos Spiti has been marked only 2 steps before there, that is -9 and -8. So we will write -8 degrees Celsius. Similarly, temperature at Srinagar is marked at 2 degrees Celsius. Temperature at Srinagar equal to 2 degree Celsius, but it's negative because appears in the left side of the zero, so it is negative integer, -2 degrees Celsius. Similarly, the temperature at Simla will be 5 degrees Celsius, and temperature at Ooty, you can write yourself 15. Before the 15 it must be 14 degrees Celsius, and Bengaluru must be 22 degrees Celsius. Come to the sum number 2 now. Let us discuss. Now come to the second sum. In the second sum, Jack, a student, has gone for 5 rounds and the correct answers has been marked as the positive integers and the incorrect answers has been marked as negative integers. So let us find out his total score. So we will write Jack's total score. At the end, that will be equal to, take the sum of all the scores of 5 rounds, and those scores are, see, 25 plus, in the second round he had scored -5 plus, in the third round he had scored -10, and in the fourth round 15. In the last round he had scored 10. Very easily take the sum of all the positive integers and subtract the negative integers and solve it. Easily you can do it. Come to the third sum. In the third sum, temperature of Srinagar is given on Monday. That is -5 degrees Celsius, -5 degrees Celsius. Next day, the temperature dropped by 2 degrees Celsius, and thereafter next day temperature rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Decrease in temperature. that is drop in temperature will be represented by negative integers. So you will write temperature on Tuesday as the sum of both the integers, that is minus 7 degrees Celsius, and the next day the temperature increased, so rise in temperature, it was 4 degree and positive. So the temperature on Wednesday will be, take the sum of both the integers, you will get minus 7 plus 4 minus 3 degrees Celsius. You will solve it like this. Now come to the 4 number sum. Now look at the 4 number sum. In the 4 number sum, aeroplane is flying at 5,000 above the sea level. Say this is the sea level, 5,000 meters, and submarine is at 1,200 meters underwater. So assume that this is submarine and this is aeroplane, that is P, and this is our sea level. We need to find out the vertical distance between them. As far I have taught you the operations on integers, according to that, the depth will be represented by negative integers from the sea level, as we have been standing at the ground level, that is sea level, we will consider here. And from the top distance, as we are moving downward, the distance will be downward journey will also be represented by the negative integers. So total distance, the vertical distance between plane and submarine, we can write as 5,000 meter minus, but as we are moving downwards now and after the sea level, it is of course negative integer, so we will represent here minus 1,200 meter. See what happens, 5,000 meter minus and minus, it turn to plus 5,000 meter plus 1,200 meter. I don't think that now it would be difficult for you. See, come to the 5 number sum. In the 5 number sum, Mohan had deposited some amounts in the bank and withdrawn some amount from the bank. Come to the 5 number sum. In the 5 number sum, Mohan had deposited some amount in his bank, that is rupees 2,000, and withdrew rupees 1,642. So if the amount deposited is to be represented by positive integers and the amount withdrawn is to be represented by negative integers, then we will write here the amount deposited by Mohan equals deposited amount, that is plus rupees, positive amount rupees 2,000, and the amount withdrawn by Mohan will be represented as negative integer rupees 1,642. Now take the sum. Of course, if you calculate them, see the value of which number is greater, positive or negative, then we will find that the value of positive integer is greater. So balance remained in the Mohan's account will be represented now as the positive integer, and the difference that will be the balance in Mohan's account. You will calculate it, find the difference, and that will be represented by positive integer. At last, in the sum, it has been asked that find the Mohan's account, find the balance in the Mohan's account after withdrawal. Once you subtract 1642 from 2000, you will get the balance in Mohan's account, and that will also be represented by a positive sign. Hence, the balance will be represented as positive integer. That was also asked in the sum. It is clarified. Now come to the sixth number and last sum. That is, if Rita moved, look at the sum. Rita moved 20 kilometers towards east direction, and thereafter she from a point A she had gone up to B, and thereafter from the point B she moved towards east directions 30 kilometer back. See how, if we try to represent the situation on the number line, say this place is A, Rita had moved A to B. This is 20 kilometer, and this direction is also east. You have been told to represent the east direction as positive integer. Distance traveled in towards east direction is to be represented by positive integer, and now from the place B, Rita moved towards east direction, that is 30 kilometer. We will write for the sixth number sum. The distance traveled towards west direction will be represented by think for a while. If the distance traveled towards east was represented as positive integer in that direction, then the distance traveled towards west must be the opposite of positive, that is negative integer, must be represented by negative integer. And the final distance traveled equal to, see, it was 20 kilometer, positive minus 30 kilometer, 20 minus 30, as a result we will get the negative integer minus 10 kilometer, and see the distance traveled towards west direction will be represented by negative integers. So 10 minus 10 kilometers means 10 kilometer towards west from A. Is it clear to you? Now the magic square in the next sum, and some of the calculations are given that of course you will get it easy to solve. Try to do that. And in the next class I will explain you the 1.2 also. See one more sum, that is the 10th sum of the 1.1, in which you can get confusion also. Only one thing in that sum I will explain you, that when monkey was moving towards water, then as he had moved from the first step, see from the first step, so first step will be counted as 1 and the last step will be counted as 9. So total steps to be moved will be 8. Take the integer 1 and 9, the difference of the steps will be 8 steps. Now try to calculate it. If you find it difficult, of course I will help you. Thank you very much.